So day to day, it's mostly supporting the engineering team. Mostly at the moment, because I'm in my third year, I can't do jobs on my own yet unsupervised. So a lot of that is usually just at the start of the shift, depending on where the problems are, if there are any currently, or if you just fancy a change in the area, because obviously it's quite a big factory. Just go ahead with someone and shadow them for the day, and where I can help. And most of the time, a lot of the guys will listen to what I say, which is nice, obviously, being trusted with things. But yeah, anything really, just to grow myself and my knowledge day to day that I can't teach us in the classroom. So it should just be maintenance engineer. Well, the course we do is mechatronics, so it's mechanical and electrical. We're currently doing our HNC, which is in electrical. That's our main pathway, because obviously everything is going that direction nowadays, so that's what we focus on. I worked here beforehand. I started at Suntory when I was 18. A friend of mine got me the job originally. I worked in production for about 3 years. My line manager actually recommended that I applied for it. I applied for it the first time round, and that year it was dropped. And then a year later, the engineering manager, Nick, approached me and said, we're doing it again. If you'd like to reapply, now's your time to do it. So very supportive of me going for it, especially at the time, because the second time round, usually obviously apprentices, you'd assume 16, 17 years old. I was 22 when I started the apprenticeship, and I feel like so far I've been really well supported. So the process involved, so it's just started with a small email sending my CV over and a small cover letter on why I thought I would be a good fit for the place. And then we were originally sent off to go and do a entrance exam, which is basic maths, English, and a little bit of science, and a little bit of common knowledge, just to see where you are bearing wise. And yeah, that went well. And then it was sent off to, we did ours with HWGTA in Hereford, and it was forwarded to them, and then we had to write another cover letter to them just to sell ourselves, because obviously they were looking after us for the first year, so they had to make sure that we would fit in. So it was recommended that you had your English and Maths GCSEs. As far as I'm aware, they weren't mandatory, because you could take the further education course. It was provided by HWGTA, so you could do it during your first year if you didn't have your Maths or your English. My communication is definitely getting better, especially as part of the team, because you have to be good at communicating between shifts and being able to articulate what's happening, because you can't just say, oh, this thing has gone wrong. It doesn't do anything good to anyone. So yeah, communication definitely. Time management, being able to come into work and then also get assignments done in the same year, and making sure everything's in on time is challenging, but is rewarding. So if you were considering it, definitely take it, and any opportunities within that, just say yes to everything. I found just applying yourself with everything has really helped me grow, and I've really enjoyed everything I've done so far.